Can your pension beat the S&P? Save this, follow and like for more for other videos. There seems to be an obsession with that. Warren Buffett's favorite book is The Intelligent Investor. His favorite chapter within that book, and you can look this up, is chapter 8. Chapter 8 talks about, well, what do you care whether you can beat the S&P 500 or not? Your race isn't against that or your neighbor for that matter. It's about, can you maximize the returns for your risk appetite? So can you beat it? Can you not beat it? Well, actually, that's not the race you're running. And if you want to beat it, really easy. There it is. Just invest in it. How do you then get a little bit better? Well, what if the definition of beating it is increasing and doing better than 0.1%? Does it matter? No. So you might as well try and match it. If you're going to try and match it, there it is, right in front of your face. Okay? If you want to improve your pension returns, I've got a campaign. It's my campaign for $1million.com to teach 1 million people how to improve their pension returns by adding an extra $1 million to their pensions across their lifetimes. I've also included, as well as the free materials, a free copy of one of my 18 books, which includes my articles from the Financial Times and my time at Bloomberg TV and as a hedge fund manager. All free. Have a look at the links in the bio, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.